In this lesson, you will learn about the number 5. 5 is spelled F-I-V-E, and 5 represents 5 things. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5. We can draw the number 5. It's a little bit tricky. We start up here and go across, then down and up and around. Start at the top, go across and down and up and around. One more time. Across, down, up and around. Here's without the numbers. Across, down, up and around. Let's draw that. Across, down, up and around. Across, down, up and around. Across, down, up and around. Here's another example of 5. Here we have 5 rabbits. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5. Here are some other examples. 5, 5, 5. And that's the end of our lesson on the number 5.